So I'm sure a lot of us have heard this कि जैसा सोचोगे वैसा ही होगा, जैसा बोलोगे वैसा ही होगा, and we know that what we think we attract, and what you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand, and we are all familiar with these phrases and these terms and these sayings. But do you think that it is possible to just write down your wish and make it come true? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, this is Shruti and welcome to my channel Mascara and Muscles. Thank you everybody for tuning in, and for all those who are new here, I make videos about beauty, fitness, lifestyle and spirituality. If any of these topics interest you, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video you are notified. And I've noticed that 95% of my viewers are not people who subscribe to my channel, so guys please, it takes 1 second to subscribe. Go ahead and do that. And for today's video, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा मेरी पहले की वीडियो मैंने जो डाली थी about law of attraction, which actually did really well. I specifically mentioned about my personal manifestation story, जिसमें मैंने बताया था how I manifested a new house for my family. But what I didn't mention in the video was the technique or the method that I'd applied to make this happen. So I thought it will be very interesting to share some insights with all of you and share this very cool technique of law of attraction with everybody, all my viewers. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. First of all, as you can read in my title, I will tell you the name of the technique, and that is 369 manifestation method. It is also called 369 Tesla method. And recently ये method जो manifestation का है बहुत ही ज़्यादा viral हो गया था on social media. So I thought it will be very interesting to share with all of you कि कैसे इसको use कर सकते हैं और क्या इसके पीछे का science है. So let's talk about Nikola Tesla first. He was a great celebrated scientist during his time and an inventor as well. So for all those people जो कि बहुत skeptical होते हैं ये सारे manifestation processes को लेकर, this is backed by science. He was a scientist जिन्होंने खुद ये manifestation method develop किया था, and इसको 369 एक reason से कहते हैं. उसके बारे में हम और समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि ये 3 numbers को हम basically divine numbers label करते हैं for very specific reasons. So जैसे कि आपने सुना होगा कि हम बोलते हैं 108 times chant करना है, so that comes down to 9. Trinity, when we say Trinity, 3 लोग, वो भी 3 बन जाता है. फिर 60 minutes, 24 hours हमारी clock जो होती है, that also comes down to 6.
Even the sound of our universe, that is Om, can be written with these 3 numbers, 3, 6 and 9, as you can see.
So number 3 actually implies a direct relationship to the universe. 6 number is actually for the inner strength that we have, and the number 9 signifies or helps us to release any kind of negativity that is lying within us. So all these things actually make these 3 numbers very, very powerful, and that's why we use this in this manifestation technique. If you want to know more about these numbers, then go ahead, Google, you will get so much information. Actually जो मैंने समझाया है वो बहुत ही basic surface level पे समझाया है. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा dive करना है इसमें deeper, then there is a lot of information with diagrams and scientific proofs that is available for everybody. तो आप लोग वो check out कर सकते हैं. So now after understanding all these points, let's get on to the process of this entire manifestation method. So for the first step, you have to decide your manifestation statement. So if you are trying to manifest a new house like I did, or if you're trying to manifest a dream job, make sure that you are starting your statement with gratitude. So I will give you an example how you can frame it. So you can say, I am very thankful that I have my dream job and it feels amazing, and it is pushing me to my highest potential. So what you have to do is make sure that you are being in a state of gratitude, because you feel like you already have it. When you say thank you to someone, when you say thank you for something, you actually mean that you have received it. So that is the concept of adding gratitude in the very beginning of the sentence. Now what we're going to incorporate in this is we're going to make this statement as long as 2 to 3 sentences so that वो 17 seconds long हम उसको उस एनर्जी को होल्ड कर पा रहे हैं जो हम लिख रहे हैं। तो इसके पीछे भी एक छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट है जो मैं समझाना चाहूँगी। सो एब्राहम हिग्स हु इज़ वेरी वेल नोन लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन एक्सपर्ट, it is her technique that we're trying to incorporate here so that the manifestation process becomes faster. 17 seconds जो rule है, it implies that whenever you give a thought 17 seconds of your time, you basically start putting energy into it and that actually amplifies or magnifies the thought. तो हम basically जो statement बनाएंगे we'll make sure that वो 17 seconds तक जब हम उसको लिख रहे हैं, हम उसको बोल रहे हैं तो 17 seconds तक या उससे ज़्यादा होना चाहिए so that it starts getting that energy from us. Now the next step after deciding your manifestation statement, you are going to write this down. Don't type it because typing is not the right way to do it. आपको लिखना है क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल होता है जब आप लिखते हैं. Get a journal for yourself and start writing. So what you have to do is 3, 6, 9. So 3 बार आपको सुबह मॉर्निंग में उठ के लिखना है. 6 times you have to write it in the day, midday or evening if you'd like, and then night में before sleeping you have to write it 9 times. So this way you're actually building the momentum in yourself, in your mind, in your energy field to make it come true for you. The more you write it, say it out loud if you can and just feel it deep within that is actually happening. Now here you can't actually resist. अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा resistance feel हो रहा है जो आपका manifestation statement है उसके लिए, तो आपको अपने अंदर थोड़ा काम करने की ज़रूरत है. आपको अंदर के जो आपके negative blocks हैं उस manifestation से related या आपकी कोई dream है, कोई goal है उससे related, जो भी अंदर की आपको negativity या blockage feel हो रही है, आपको पहले उसको release करने की ज़रूरत है and then you do this process. So make sure that when you're writing this, if you can 3 बार लिखिए, 3 बार उसको बोलिए and then similarly for the next 2 times when you do it in the day. Now all you have to do it is be consistent with this and do it for 33 days. Now 33 का again sum is 6, so that is the logic behind it. 33 days is a very good number जिसमें कि usually लोगों के 33 days से पहले ही हो जाती है manifestation true, but अगर नहीं भी हो रही है it's okay, you have to keep going on. Patience and faith, ये 2 चीज़ें हैं जो आपको किसी भी manifestation technique में, इनफैक्ट लाइफ में आपको ये दोनों चीज़ों की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है, patience and faith. So do not get disheartened, but 33 days तक आपको ये continue करना है if you really want your manifestation to come true. So now I would want to share some tips with you for this manifestation technique, but before we do that I would just quickly like to show you my personal manifestation story and proof, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को doubt होता है, I understand that, तो इसलिए मैं दिखाना चाहूँगी कि कैसे मेरे साथ ये हुआ था. तो as you can see यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा हुआ है 3 times, 6 times and 9 times. So lucky for me that मैंने जब ये करा था उस टाइम पे मैं ऑलरेडी इन दी प्रोसेस ऑफ मैनिफेस्टिंग अ न्यू हाउस थी, तो इट जस्ट फास्टेंड दी प्रोसेस और लिटरली 20 डेज़ के अंदर हमारा फाइनल हो गया था. लेकिन मैं अपनी स्टेटमेंट पढ़ना चाहूँगी जो मैंने लिखी थी. आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड ग्रेटफुल दैट आई हैव मैनिफेस्टेड अ न्यू हाउस फॉर माई फैमिली. तो मैं तब तक मैंने 17 seconds रूल वाला अप्लाई नहीं करा था इसमें. इवन देन इट हैपेंड वेरी क्विकली. और 2 रीजन्स, एक तो ये भी था कि मैं ऑलरेडी उस प्रोसेस में थी तो वो बहुत जल्दी हो गया था और मैंने ये 33 डेज़ तक भी नहीं करा था, बहुत जल्दी हो गया था ये. तो आई वॉज लकी बट आई वॉज ऑल्सो इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ इट. तो अगर आप अपने गोल से बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिस्टेंट फील कर रहे हैं ऑलरेडी, देन यू हैव टू कीप गोइंग ऑन एंड मेक श्योर कि आप ये 17 seconds वाला जो रूल है वो इसमें इनकॉर्पोरेट कर रहे हैं. दैट विल रियली रियली हेल्प यू अ लॉट. Now let's start with the tips for this manifestation process. First tip is that you have to write it in the present tense. Now you can't write I want to have or I will have. That means that you're saying कि आपके पास नहीं है अभी, you want to have it, so you are saying that you don't have it right now. But we don't want to say it. We want to say like it's happening in the present tense, like we've already achieved, we already have it with us right now. जो भी हमारा डिज़ायर गोल है, तो इसलिए मेक श्योर दैट यू राइटिंग इन प्रेजेंट टेंस। सेकेंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, डू नॉट ऑब्सेस ओवर इट प्लीज़। हमारे साथ ये बहुत ज़्यादा होता है कि हम कोई चीज़ को मैनिफेस्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, कोई चीज़ को अट्रैक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो हम ऑब्सेस करने लग जाते हैं कि कब होगा कब होगा। आई एम सॉरी, you will never be in a state of peace and surrender and know it that it's gonna come if you are actually obsessing over it, because that creates desperation towards that goal or dream or desire. So make sure कि आप obsess नहीं कर रहे हैं, just do it, have fun with it and just surrender. Third tip is trust that it can happen before 33 days. Like I mentioned, मेरे साथ हुआ था majorly, ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ ऐसा ही होता है कि 33 डेज से पहले ही हो जाता है मैनिफेस्ट। तो अगर नहीं हो रहा देन ऑल्सो डोंट लूज होप एंड फेथ, इट विल हैपन, बट ट्रस्ट दैट इट कैन हैपन बिफोर 33 डेज ऑल्सो। Fourth point, the most important point, be consistent. There is absolutely no substitute for that. You have to do it regularly. एक दिन skip हो गया, it's okay, just carry on or do it twice in a day, but make sure that you are doing it every day for 33 days. If you have to set alarms, go for it, but consistency is the key. Now to conclude all of this that I have shared with you, I would just like to say in Nikola Tesla's words, if you knew the magnificence of 3, 6 and 9, you would actually have the key to the universe. So guys, that's all for today's video. I am definitely sure that this video helped you in some way, and I'm sure काफ़ी लोगों को बहुत interesting भी लगा होगा जो ये concept first time सुन रहे हैं. So please let me know in the comments below if you are planning to try it, or if you have any success stories whenever you try. Let me know in the comments below. I will be really happy to see that. And if you want me to create more videos like this, that also please let me know in the comments below. Till then, please take care, be safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye and see you soon.